Welcome to September's edition of iThought PMS Fact Sheet. It was quite a month in the markets, lot of movement driven by aggressive external noise with respect to the tariffs. But so far, of course, this year has been a year of consolidation. At iThought, we continue to do what we've always done best: stay disciplined, stay invested, and stay focused on quality. Our PMS strategies remain positioned to navigate these phases with balance and clarity, each one built to serve a distinct purpose in a long-term investor's portfolio. So let's take a look at how each of our products has performed for the month of September. Let's begin with Solitaire, our flagship multi-cap strategy. Solitaire saw a mild dip of about 0.9% in September, in line with the broader market consolidation. But the bigger picture remains strong. Over the past 2 years, Solitaire has delivered 17.5%, and since inception in 2019, it's compounded at an impressive 22.5% annually. The strategy's focus areas, FMCG, automobiles, and financials, continue to drive resilience. Around 3/4 of the portfolio remains invested in debt-free companies, and the beta stays at a comfortable 0.76, keeping risk under control. Solitaire continues to stand for what we believe in: quality businesses, stable compounding, and long-term conviction. If you would like to understand more about this product, do leave us a message on WhatsApp and we will get in touch with you. Next, we have TrueBlue, our large cap strategy that focuses exclusively on the Nifty 50 universe. It delivered a gain of 0.3% this month, broadly in line with the benchmark. Large caps may have not moved much this month, but they continue to play their part in providing stability. Over the long term, TrueBlue has compounded at 15.9% over 3 years and 12.1% since inception. With exposure to strong names in financials, autos, and FMCG, the strategy continues to focus on consistency and capital preservation. It is a portfolio built for those who prefer slow, steady, and predictable wealth creation over excitement. If the creamiest of the blue chips excites you, a text is all it takes to start. Do reach out to us right away. Next, we have our small and micro cap strategy, Vriddhi, which felt the burn of the correction this month, declining around 4.6%. The small cap segment as a whole has been under pressure, but we see this as a phase rather than a turning point. Vriddhi's long-term track record remains extremely solid. Over 3 years, it has compounded at 22.2%, and since inception in 2021, it has delivered 22% annually. The focus in this product remains largely on quality. Nearly 55% of the portfolio is invested in debt-free companies, and many of these businesses are leaders in their space with scalable growth potential. Short-term pain often sets up long-term gain, and we see this period as one that will separate the good from the great in the small cap universe. If you believe in patient investing and deep research over hype, Vriddhi offers you access to that undiscovered growth. Get in touch with us today. Next up, we have our multi-asset PMS, Sphere, which had another strong month. It delivered a 4.2% gain in September, comfortably beating its benchmark. Over 3 years, Sphere has compounded at 29%, and since inception in late 2021, it has delivered 23.7% annually. What makes Sphere stand out is its ability to balance growth and protection. With allocations across asset classes such as equities, debt and global exposure, precious metals, etc., it adapts dynamically to changing conditions. This month's performance once again highlighted how diversification, when done thoughtfully, can protect downside while still capturing meaningful upside. If you're looking for smoother returns across cycles and geographies, Sphere is definitely a strategy worth exploring. Do get in touch with us and we will be more than happy to help you. This brings us to yet another multi-asset strategy that is designed for NRIs called NEO. And this product continued its steady performance as well, returning 1.9% for the month and staying ahead of its benchmark. Over the past 2 years, NEO has delivered around 25%, and since inception, it has compounded at 24.6%. With a balanced mix of equities, gold, and debt, NEO offers NRIs a way to participate in India's growth story while maintaining a globally diversified exposure as well. It remains simple yet an effective solution for long-term wealth creation. So if you are an NRI looking for a thoughtful, macro-aware investment strategy, NEO is the best fit for you. Do get in touch. Which brings us to the overall conclusion. September was a month that reinforced one key idea, that long-term investing is about patience, not prediction. Markets may pause or correct, but portfolios built on strong foundations don't lose direction. At iThought, our PMS strategies continue to stay focused on what truly matters: disciplined research, risk management, and long-term value creation. Whether it's the stability of large caps, the potential of small caps, or the balance of a multi-asset approach, Each of our strategies plays a role in helping investors stay the course and through every market phase as well. So stay tuned as we navigate another month with all of you on this journey that we call the markets with iThought. See you next month.